What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl MC. Thanks for being here with me. So today I'm going to take you on a ride on how I got this look. This is another look that I'm going to classify as a Bahamas inspired glam look because we're still getting ready for our Bahamas cruise. And so I'm playing with a couple different looks to have for the trip. And this one, I'm actually pretty proud of myself for it because I've never done eye makeup like this before. Take a look at it here. No, by no means it's not perfect, but it does the trick. I wanted to go for a sunset look because I do want to see a nice sunset. But I ended up using some purple, which this could be a sunset look because you got purples, and I got some pink, and I got some orange. It's like a pinkish yellowish orange with the purple, dark purple, and then I got some glitter right here. So my Bahamas inspired sunset look, that's what I'm gonna call it, and I got the perfect dress for it too. And so stay tuned if you're ready to see how I stumbled my way through this look. What you doing here? My son, he wants to be on this video. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, YouTube world. Look at your hair. You need a haircut, don't you? Yes. And guess who's going to give you the haircut? I am, Boogie Woogie Boy. I'm going to give you the haircut, okay? Wipe your nose.
I need help with the TV.
You need help with the TV?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be up there in a minute, okay?
And I didn't even get to what?
I'll be up there in a minute. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay. I'm going to come give you a haircut too.
Okay.
All right?
Bye.
Were you on a mohawk?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to go have fun with that. So he's going to let me give him a mohawk, and I'm going to record it and do a video on it to see how well I do and to see how good I am. So I'm going to get out of here and go quickly do my hair after, of course, I help him with the television, and then I give him a haircut, and then I'm going to do my hair. And I'm sure that my makeup should still last. Speaking of still last, let me go ahead and give me a shot of this setting spray matte finish LA color. Okay, and some of that got in my mouth. But holla at your girl. Tell me what you think. Give me some advice. Give me some tips and pointers. I'm all ears. Healthy comments are welcome. I want to get better at doing my makeup, and I want to get better at my ideas to present to you guys. So please just help your girl out. Leave me some comments and let me know what you think. Thank you guys. Much love. Priming my face with my Avon Magix Face Perfector. Keeps the shine away. Then I'm going to use my Color Icon Kohl eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild to do my brows. Outline, that is, and then I'm going to come in with my LA Girls Ultimate Eye Intense Wear Auto eyeliner to fill. Then instead of using my usual concealer under my brow, I'm using the number 7 Radiant Glow Concealer, number 50. And then above that, I'm going to do my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm just gonna buff my inner brows out and get it looking a little more natural. All right. For some reason, it's taken me a couple more attempts than usual to get my brows right, but I think they're okay. So now I'm concealing with the same two concealers. All right, doing a little additional concealing to get a couple of spots. Then I'm gonna come in with my foundation. I'm using my usual Covergirl foundation. It's a Trublend matte made in the color Warm 20. Okay, so I'm putting some primer above my eyes, some eyeshadow primer by Too Faced. And so, okay, obviously I'm going a little overboard. And so this is where I really stumbled because I had to realize once I started applying this pink here, I had to realize that I overdid it. So I removed some and toned it down a notch. And so I'm using my James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm using the color Skip, which is this pink here. And then I'm gonna go to the color 518, which is like the orangey color at the top here. I got some guests. Hi, pretty girl. My baby girl and my baby boy.
Night.
Alright. See you.
See you. We watch TV.
They will be getting their channel soon. They're going to start off on my channel and then they'll be on their own. So I'm still using this 518 at the top of my pink, and I'm trying to get it blended in as best as I can. And then I'm going to come in with my other Morphe palette, Boss Mode, and I'm using the color Transformer, which is like a deep purple. So I got that blended in, and look at your girl. Your girl thinks she cut creasing it up. So let me know if it's a yay or a nay on this first time cut crease. Man, I feel like such a professional. Got all this eyeshadow falling all over my face, and I'm just doing it, man. Your girl's just doing it. Alright, so I'm going to come in now with the color Single from the James Charles palette. This is close to a lavender, which is my favorite color. And now I'm using a flatter edged brush, trying to get it into that crease. I'm working that crease. Yes, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Finally, I'm going to use this color Artistry from the James Charles palette also, but you can't really see it much on that lighter base. So then I'm adding some glitter base by NYX. It's glitter primer, and then I'm putting some metallic glitter by NYX on that inner portion of my eyelid. So it's a metallic color glitter. I think I skipped that whole part. But let me just clean up my eyes a little bit before I go any further, because Lord knows I was everywhere. So I guess this is a cool trick right here instead of using the tape. And then I'm just touching up my face since I had so much eyeshadow fall on my face. I'm going to touch up a little bit with some concealer and then some foundation. My look is coming along here. Now I'm applying my liquid liner for my Snap-a-Lash, the magnetic eyelashes that I found on Instagram. I love these things. So I apply the liner, which is getting all up in my eye. So I'm applying the liner and then I just put the magnetic lashes on it and it adheres to it. just like this. And so I gotta get it just right. It's like a trick. And I guess I could maybe put some mascara on my lashes beforehand next time, because this is the second time that I'm applying these lashes. They're so fragile that I don't think that they're gonna last much longer. They look like they wanna maybe fall apart, but they still work. Trying to get it as close to my lashes as possible. And then I'm gonna add some mascara to get it all together and to get it looking right. I love these lashes. They're so simple and easy to use. I would have never thought that I'd be wearing magnetic lashes. But here I am wearing magnetic lashes and I love them. And I highly recommend them, especially for those who don't want to use any glue on your eyelashes, which I'm one of. I prefer not to. I don't like the thought of putting glue on my lashes. It's probably taking me a little longer than it should, but it's all good because I'm going to take a nice deep breath once I'm done. And there it is. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my Covergirl loose finishing powder on my face. This really does give a finishing touch. And then I'm going to come in with my Magic Metallic Silver eyeliner for my waterline. And then I'm going to back up that waterline with my blue mascara by Maybelline. My favorite mascara in my favorite color, royal blue. And as you may know by now, I love to contour with my black Radiance Pressed powder, color Ebony. And I mean, ever since I've started contouring with this, I mean, this is just the way to go for me right now. And today I'm actually going to highlight a little bit once I'm done contouring. And the color of my highlighter, I don't know the name of it, but it's like a bronze color. And I'm going to add just a little bit, just a touch of highlighter, a little bit. So I'm just getting a little bit of this highlight in. I'm having like a lot of fun. I'm going a little all out for this look because it's for a special occasion. Gotta get the nose and the lips. And gently under the brow. So my lipstick is going to be Color Sensational by Maybelline in the color Deepest Cherry. Thank you guys for sharing this time with me. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. Much love.